Yes, so guys, if you're going to guess, my vlog for today is about makeup. So you can see, I'm having my makeup in here, but before that, I'm going to be having first to clean my mustache. Before, we're going to move on with applying the makeup. So yes, makeup, and I will do my own makeup. This is a drag queen makeup, and whatever it may. I'm sorry, I have the contact lenses because I had just given it away, but I'm going to try my makeup with this. So, ayan, kami na wait for the result and see my male to female version. Ayan, so wait. So I'm going to start cleaning my mustache. So let's remove the mustache to have a perfect test. Ayan guys, so we're done with the removal of our mustache. So you can see that it is a zero mustache now. And okay, I'm going to start it by, of course, by having this sponge. So we're going to be using the old tradition of having a makeup transformation from male to female. When I say it is old tradition, because we are still using the foundation, which is being used of foam like that, and orange blush. That was not like today, the new tradition that they're using the liquid foundation, but for me I'm going to be using this. So this is a water-based foundation. So I have the water here, so I have to soak it before applying it. So in applying your foundation, you're going to wet this, cut this one, and you're going to drip it like this. Do not wipe it, just drip it like this. So okay, I'm going to show you that. So later on I'll show you. So we're done with our foundation, so you can see it's fair enough. So I'm going to, next steps, I'm going to fix my eyebrows. So I'm going to show you after it. And so guys, we're done with our eyebrowsing. This is my eyebrows. This is what I like because I don't want it to be very one line. So I prefer like that. And so I'm going to be fixing that later for you to see how it is. And of course, if you're going to have that kind of, by using this one, and or you're going to have this kind of, so I'm going to be using this darker for my eyebrowsing. So let me do it. And anyway, it's here. It depends on what you like. The color is I want the browner one because I have my hair like this, and my wig is the wig that I'm going to be using is brown. So I'm going to be using something brown on my eyebrows. So I'll be using this here. So I'm going to be using this brown. So first is you're going to let it in here and like that. So you're going to have it like this first for your base before you're going to do it this way. So I'll be showing you again later. Anyway, I'm starting it right here this way because you're going to use this for your nose lifting. That's why I'm doing this kind of putting here. Because supposed to be, if you're going to apply it, you're going to be using this, the other is going down to your nose. So having this kind is, this makes, most especially in us, an Asian nose, that we have a small nose, so we're using this line in order for our nose to look like tall, yeah, and having the shape of the desired of what you wanted to be in your nose. So please bear with me and I'll show you later. That's why I got it from here, from my eyebrows going down to this. So this is it. That's why I'm doing it right now, directing to my nasal, to my nose. And so I'm going to make up region it in order to look tall. Siyempre dahil ang mukha ko ay burog-burog, so kailangan ko pong magdagdag ng foundation or ng powder. So I'm using this powder that I'm having here on hand, yeah. So this powder that I'm going to be using is, it depends on the color that you wanted to achieve. So I want it to be more whiter, so I'm going to be having this, you know, this color. Yeah, so just bear with me and see how the after makeup. Ayan, yung kung paano po yung iiwan po ng inayos pagkatapos ng bagyo. Ayan, so kunyari kapag may bagyo, ayan, inaayos po natin ang ating face, ang ating lugar. So binagyo po ang ating mukha, kaya inaayos ko ngayon. Ayan, mga kaibigan. So I'm going to show you after. So that's it, and I'll show you later on. And so I'm done with my nose, and actually makeup artists has the different ways on how to start their makeup, on what are they going to put in, anything that's, but this is the first thing I'm going to do: foundation, and my eyebrows, and my nose, and next is my eyes. So I'm going to make it as beautiful as it enhance the beauty that I'm having. So yeah, let's start. So I'm going to be using first like this. This is actually a liner. I don't know. It's what we always say, this one. So I'm going to be using this one to make a line on my eyes because I'm going to make it bigger. So making it bigger is as you are going to be using like this. So here is it, and I'm going to start and like that. Because I wanted to make it bigger, I will be doing like this. Okay. Ayan. So it's your face is just like a canvas that you're going to draw a line. So I'm going to show you later. So yeah, so I'm doing this because I want my eyes to be bigger. Ayan. So I'm trying my best to. So we're done putting our line and our main lines, our base line. So right now I'm going to make it dry, of course, for the sake that it will not scatter around my eyes. So I'm not going to be putting some eyeliner on the ground because this is a new way or a new look of a drag queen that I'm going to be showing you today. So so right now we're going to have our eyeshadows, which is our eyeshadow is, here is our eyeshadow that we're going to be using. So first is we're going to have our baseline here. We have here this one. So I'm going to be using my hand because some makeup artists do their hands or the applicator that is in there. So for me I'm using this one. need to be using mirror, yung mirror that I'm using here. So I can see that I'm becoming faded now. So after that, I'm going to be using again eyeshadow, which is I'm going to be using this applicator. Some people may take it into the water for it to be good, but I'm not going to do it. And I'll be using this one, this gold. I think I'm going to try gold for now. Or later on, I'm going to see what is the best that I'm going to be using. I think you cannot see the color, so I'm going to be using blue one. Blue, I think. Blue is better. So blue is better. Yeah, because we're achieving something here. It's a drag queen, so we're going to make it more until it more. So that's it. And so we're making a fierce makeup today. And yeah, so we're done with our eyeshadow, and then of course we're going to it in here. So eyeshadow is done, and the next step would be I'm going to be having something on my lower eye. So I'm going to be using again more of that thing that you're going to see. This is a new one, so I'm going to dip in here the white to make my eyes fresher than ever. So I'm going to be dipping it in here. And so you're going to see clearly that it is shining armor, and it's shining armoring. Anyway, this is a male to female transformation of a drag queen. So you can see that from a man, I'm going to be a woman. And so I'm doing this here. So ayan, so we're done with our fierce look, and next is we're going to be putting our false eyelashes. So I'm having here the false eyelashes, and I'm going to be putting it afterwards. So like that, and this is my eyelashes that I'm going to be putting now. So I will be showing you these eyelashes. So here's the eyelashes, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I'm done with my false eyelashes up and down. So right now I'm going to make my eyes more bolder and more bigger because I have a small eyes. And anyway, this is a drag queen makeup, so I'm going to be showing you that I'm going to make my eyes more bigger. And so by using this white here, yeah, down my eyes. So I'll be showing you this, okay? Yeah. So I want more bigger eyes, so I'm doing this. And I want it more fresher. Because if you are going to be putting it here, you look fresh. But it will cover up when you are not sleeping that much. So we're done with our big eyes, so I'm going to be putting my blush in. Of course, blush in is we're having here is our blush in. So we're going to be having our blush in here. Yeah. So I'm going to be using this red one because I had made my face whiter, is it? So I'm now it's no white. So I'm going to be using this red, super red. And so I'm going to start it in here. Start it in here, going down to this part. Yeah. I am doing this blush in downward until here because I wanted my face to be more thin, ayan, and to be more small. So I'm doing it that way. And you can put it in here too. In here too. And here too. And after that, I'm going to put my lipstick, which is the very simple lipstick that I'm having. The dark one, which is Vogue. Ayan. So we are having the lipstick here, the Matty. Ayan, so we have here Matty. And I'm going to be doing it like this way. As simple as that. You can extend your lipstick. But first, you're going to put more foundation for the sake that it will not be, since I'm going to be showing. So it's gonna be like that, guys. So it's just like a mustache without lipstick from the down lip. And so I'm going to apply again for. And I want it bigger. Because you guys, you know, I have a small lips, so I have to make it bigger. Mhm. So I have now a big lips that everybody loves it. So after that, I'm going to be putting my so here's my makeup, and I'm going to be putting right now my wig, which is I'm having here the one length wig that I'm going to be showing you. And I have also have the extension that I had ironed, and so let's put our wig for the final look. So I'm going to do it right this way. But for me, I don't want it that, so I'm going to be doing it like that because I want the side one because it's not bagay for me if I'm going to be using that. And so I have it in here, and so I'll be using more of the hair clips here. So I have to mhm, I have to do it right this way, and of course to cover everything from that top portion. I have to see to it that everything is well clipped, and before I'm going to do this one, so I'm going to have it clip it in here, and we have here the hairpins. Okay, they look beautiful. So I'm going to be doing it like that one. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. So that is the makeup transformation that I have done today, and I'll be putting up this iron new ironed hair. So simple as that. And so I'm going to be doing that, and I have to clip it here. Never mind my muzzle, it's bigger root. So I'll be using this clip. And the last thing is I'll be putting this. So hard to be clipping again. So I'm done, and that's my hair from the back. So that is, guys, that's the makeup tutorial that I have done today, and thank you so much for watching. And please, if you like my video, please do share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're not yet connected or subscribed to my channel, please do not hesitate to tap the notification bell for you to be notified for the next vlog that I'm going today to do. So thank you guys for watching my vlog, and ayan, I am hoping to see you again to other vlog that I'm going to do in a makeup tutorial. So, who do you think do I look like, guys? So, thank you so much for giving a time for my vlog. So,